Listen to our children learning. Happy, healthy, safe children. We know that there are over 152,000 children under the age of 5 in child care daily in Kansas. These children need and deserve more than just basic care. They need high-quality early learning opportunities that will have a critical impact on their social, emotional, and intellectual development. What does that look like, you might ask? Well, we know that high-quality early childhood programs have strong health and safety standards, low student-to-teacher ratios, and small classes. In addition, they have qualified, well-compensated teachers, proven curricula and learning processes for all children, and meaningful involvement by their parents. That sounds easy enough, but what would that look like? Come with us as we take a closer look at these important first years. Listen to the needs of a parent.
We were really excited when I found out I was pregnant, but then I started thinking, what am I going to do about childcare? Where's the right place for my son?
For over 20 years, we've been helping families find childcare. They can either call our toll-free number and talk with a well-trained counselor who can help them walk through the entire process, or they can use the website, which is available 24/7.
They're professional and they're going to take care of that client, and they're going to provide them with a system, an organization that is going to send them in the right direction and provide them a path to great child care for their children.
For young children, you need that person that's there that can rock them, hold them, set them on their lap, be on the ground with them, interact with them at their level. They're gaining so much through that, and language is so important in those first 3 years of life.
We were the first child care resource and referral network across the country to really pay attention to infant and toddler care. Therefore, we created an infant-toddler project that really recruited child care providers to care for infants and toddlers in high-quality settings.
Listen to the passion of a child care provider.
I have been doing childcare for 22 years, and it's been one of the most rewarding experiences that I could ever imagine doing. I can't imagine doing anything else that would make me feel the way I do. I love my job.
The most important thing for children to be ready for school is to have nurturing relationships with attuned adults who can help them be socially, emotionally ready. The adult is there helping children reenact what they see in their daily life, plus learning those new skills of taking turns, playing out adult roles in appropriate ways, having the adults be the role models, but then also taking that back seat and letting the children offer the nurturing and the caregiving to them.
We provide a tremendous amount of professional development for child care providers all across the state. That can either be through community-based training with the child care resource and referral agencies, or it can be online at their convenience. In addition, we provide a tremendous amount of technical assistance. That can be in person, over the phone, via email, through resources. It's coaching, mentoring, and developing relationships.
Listen to the perspective of early childhood professionals.
When we talk about the developing architecture of the child's brain and how that really sets the stage for learning and school readiness, we know we need staff that are very well trained, very well educated, who really understand the importance of that child's brain and how they can learn so much in these early years.
I see kindergarten as a continuation of a journey that the child has begun, and oftentimes if a child has been in a structured quality daycare program or in a preschool program, I feel like that journey that they have already been built up and are being given skills in those quality settings that help them be lifelong learners. But a child who has already had some structure, either in their home setting or in daycare or in preschool, easily adjusts to the school setting.
Child Care Aware of Kansas is committed to the early learning professionals all across this state. We do that through programs like Teacher Education and Compensation Helps, through Wages, which is a salary supplement, and through the Kansas Quality Rating and Improvement System.
Listen to the appreciation of our partners.
Child care is very important from a business standpoint because your employees have to have a place to take their children. If they're always worrying about their child, then they're not going to be productive for you, and they're not going to work as well. They're going to have other things on their mind.
Having qualified teachers, teacher assistants, or paraprofessionals is so important, but the ongoing training is very important too.
Without the programs that Child Care Aware of Kansas has provided for us family child care providers, I would be just the babysitter that was just watching her own children and adding other children into the mix as a supplemental income for our family. However, when I got involved with the programs, I realized that it was much more of a profession than it was just a job to do.
If we're all working together, then the only person, the people that benefit are the kids.
Child Care Aware of Kansas has had the distinct pleasure of providing services to families and child care providers for the past 20 years. We look forward to providing ongoing support, programming, and resources to improve the quality of care for children all across the state.
Child Care Aware of Kansas, a voice for Kansas children.